Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you a very unique way of making eggs. So for this recipe you're not going to require a pan nor you're going to need oil, and it is the recipe in which you're going to make eggs in a chips bag. So without any further delay, let's begin with our recipe. So for this recipe guys, I've taken a 20 rupees packet, which is a 50-gram packet of Lay's American style cream and onion, and I'm crushing down the chips as much as possible. And now let's cut off the top part of this chips packet and try to crush it even more. And guys, you can use any flavor of the chips that you want, any flavor that you prefer, you can use that packet. I love the cream and onion flavor, and that is why I'm using this packet. And now to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red and green capsicum each, 1 tablespoon of onions, 1 green chili finely sliced, 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander leaves, which is dhania ke patte, and 1 tablespoon of cheese. Guys, you can add or skip any ingredient that you wish not to add or you want to add to your egg pockets. And now let's keep this chips packet aside for now, and here I've taken 3 eggs. You can always take more or less, and let's whip it. And once mixed, then let's add some black pepper powder. Here I've taken 1/8 teaspoon and salt as per taste, and let's mix that in as well. Once mixed, then let's add this egg mixture to our packet of chips. That's right, to our packet of chips. Once we've added the egg mixture into the chips packet, let's give everything a good mix. And now it's time for us to cook it. And as you can see, I've taken a pot in which I've added some water, and now that the water is boiling, let's add the chips bag to it. That's right, we're going to add the entire bag to the boiling water, and we are going to cook this for the next 15 minutes on a high flame. And let's keep a pair of tongs for our packet to stay straight and not fall down in the water. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. So it's been 15 minutes guys, and our eggs are ready. So let's first remove the tongs, and then very carefully let's remove the chip bag from the boiling water, and then let's put it into a plate. And as you can see, it slid off so easily. Do make this recipe guys, it's something very different, and you can make it as a project to do it with your kids. Also guys, you can eat it as it is or you can cut it into small pieces. So let me quickly show you how I'm going to cut this into bit-sized pieces. Also, if you don't want to use the chips bag, if you don't want to eat chips for whatever reason, then you can always make it the same way in a ziplock bag. So do try that method as well, making it in a ziplock bag. You can also put the ziplock bag in a microwave and make it in the microwave. And here as you see, the cutting part is also pretty easy, and I'm going for a nice bite. So do make this recipe, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and these are the links for other interesting recipes. So do click on them, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.